चलें, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं अपनी जो आज का जो लेक्चर है वो बेसिक अगेन वही स्टार्ट करूँगी। बेसिक को पहले भी मैं करवा चुकी हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, जिसके हम बेसिक के एग्जांपल्स और इसके प्रोग्राम छोटे मोटे ये हम कर चुके हैं, लेकिन आज इसको प्रैक्टिकली मैं करूँगी। अपने पास एक नोटबुक रखिए, हैव अ नोटबुक विद यू टू राइट डाउन द प्रोग्राम्स। मैं अभी बेसिक की स्क्रीन आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ और उस स्क्रीन पे जितने मैं प्रोग्राम और जितने प्रोसीजर्स करूँगी यू हैव टू नोट इट डाउन, राइट। आप इसको नोट करेंगे सारे प्रोसीजर्स को और प्रोग्राम को, देन उसका फ्लो चार्ट एंड द आउटपुट, एवरीथिंग मस्ट बी इन योर कॉपीज, राइट। एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा? What about Basic? Basic is a high-level language program, and it's an interpreter-based program. Interpreter means the interpreter is the translator, which is used by Basic, and the program need to be translated into machine language and then into high-level language again, right? And Basic translate line by line. The interpreter translates line by line, and once the program is smooth, the result would be shown on your screen, right? I already had explained about direct mode and indirect mode, and the direct mode in which we are writing anything commands without line number, and in indirect mode we are writing statements with line number, right? Interpreter is used as a translator. As you all know, there are two types of translators. One is interpreter and the second one is compiler, right? Interpreter translates line by line, and compiler translates the whole program at once and give you the number of errors at the end. Okay. So this is all about Basic. Now I'm going to share the screen of Basic for programs. Please, beta, turn off your TV or whatever it is. See, this is the basic screen. The OK prompt, which shows that this is the basic screen. Right? This is your basic screen. OK prompt. Okay, I am writing a command. What is a command? Which is given without line number. Like if I'm pressing F3, it loads my program, any previously saved program, right? See, I'm writing a command that is files. What does files means? I already had explained it. What is the function of files command? Unmute yourself and answer me, please. What is the function of files command? What is the purpose of files command? Abdul Rafi and Abdullah Hassan. Give me the answer, please. What is the purpose of files command?
Ma'am, it opens the previously saved files.
Yes, very good. It shows the previously saved files. Like in DOS, we are using dir, that is directory dir command. That means all the files of DOS would be will be shown in your screen. It's same like dir command is files, and it shows the list of basic files, only the basic files on your screen. Like if I'm writing files, it shows the list of files, right? See, I already have saved some basic program like this one, PRG1B. This is the basic program, and this PRG2B. This is the basic program. I already saved these program in my basic software, right? If I'm going to load the first program. For load, we are using which key for load? F3, right? PRG, load PRG 1B. Okay, what is the error? I am giving the small letters, it's a case sensitive, so I am giving the small letters and the file is saved in capital letters. So I have to write in capital letters, right? The first program of BASIC is to print your name 10 times, to print your name 10 times by for next and if then. I am writing the first program on your screen. Write down the program, program number 1. Write it down. To print your name, to print your name 10 times by for next command, for next statement and if then statement. If then statements. Right? Okay, now I'm starting the first program. For what would I do? Give auto to give the line numbers. First line is CLS. Start writing the program on your in your copies. Write the program in your copies with me. Line number 10, that is CLS. Line number 2, for, I'm going to explain this statement. For A is equal to 1 to 10, right? Print, we can write the question mark, we can type the question mark for in place of print as well, right? Whether you write print complete or you can give the question mark in place of print. Print Ali, quotation close, next A, and then end. See, what's going on here? I am going to write the name Ali 10 times, right? Okay, see the result first, then I'll explain it again. Control break to stop the line numbers. Write it down. Control break to stop the line numbers, right? Now F2, see the result. Ali, Ali is in your screen 10 times. Write the name 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Now the list F1. By F1, we can see the list of the program. So, for next is a statement. Write it down, beta. For next is a looping statement. For next is a looping statement. You can unmute your mic to for any question. Okay. If anything is not clear to you, you can ask me in between. For next is a looping statement which print the result, which print the result according to your required quantity, according to your required quantity. For next is a looping statement. For next is a looping statement which shows the result according to your required quantity. Raise your hands if you have done. For next is a looping statement. So what does loop means? To move anything over and over again. If I am going to write it 20 for A equal to 1 to 20, right? And what I explained in the class, to Move downward by enter key. Don't use arrow key to move downward from the screen, right? Enter key saves your changes, right? For a is equal to 1 to 20, I am doing it 20 instead of 10. F2, it's written 20 times, right? Whatever the number you are given here, it displays the number, the printing numbers. Like if this is the output, print is the output, print is the output, name is the output. You want to print the name 10 times or 20 times. For next is a looping statement, like first line interpreter reads cls, clears the screen. For next line it reads the first statement for a is equal to 1 to 10, यानी a जो हमें प्रिंट करना है वो हमें 20 टाइम्स प्रिंट करना है, 1 से 20 टाइम्स प्रिंट करना है, ठीक है। और फिर उसके बाद हमें क्या प्रिंट करना है, कितने टाइम्स प्रिंट करना है, दैट इज गिवन बाय फॉर। एंड क्या प्रिंट करना है, दैट इज गिवन इन लाइन नंबर 30 कि हमें अली प्रिंट करना है। एंड आफ्टर दैट लाइन नंबर 40 वी हैव टू मूव टू लाइन नंबर 20 अगेन। दिस इज द लूपिंग स्टेटमेंट। लाइक 40 पे जब हम आएंगे तो 40 पर 40 लाइन नंबर क्या कह रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट ए, यानी फर्स्ट टाइम ए इज 1, again coming to the 40, next time the a is 2, it moves again and again until it reaches to the ending point, that is 20. जब तक वो 20 पर नहीं पहुंचेगा तब तक ये लूप इसी तरह से चलता रहेगा, राइट? आप इसको 100 कर दीजिए, आप इसे 50 कर दीजिए एंडिंग रेंज को। ये जितनी आप रेंज देंगे उतने टाइम्स ये लूप चलता रहेगा। एंड व्हेन इट मीट्स द एंडिंग पॉइंट लाइक 20, इट एंड्स, राइट? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पर रेंज दे दी है 1 से 20 तक। 1 से 20 के बाद ये रेंज आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी। नेक्स्ट ए पर आकर जब ये ऊपर जाएगा, इसको लाइन नंबर 20 प्रूफ हुआ, उसके बाद ये कहाँ जाएगा, नेक्स्ट लाइन पर, दैट इज एंड, लाइन नंबर 50, दैट इज एंड। अगर आप 50 देते हैं इट्स ओके, और अगर नहीं देते तब भी उससे प्रोग्राम पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, राइट? So this is your program number 1A. Program number 1A, right? Program number 1 क्या है? To print your name 10 times by for next. और program number B क्या है? To print your name 10 times by if then else, right? चलें, ये लिख लीजिए, प्रोग्राम लिख लीजिए, और उसके बाद हम इसका फ्लो चार्ट बनाएंगे। And you, if once you write the program, please raise your hand. Okay, I'm going to save this program. F4. F4. I'm pressing F4 key, right? When F4 key is pressed, save is written, quotation mark is given. I will write the program name PRG1. 1 in bracket A, 1A. This is program number 1A. Save. It is saved now. Files. Have you written, or I can clear the screen? Abdul Rafi, Hamad Mukhtar, Hariya Beta, raise your hand if you have done. Hira, Abdullah Hassan, not done. Unmute yourself and tell me that is it clear to you all, or any question about it? Hamad, not done? Still not done? Okay. Okay, now we'll move toward the flow chart. See, insert shapes. This is your first program's flowchart, right? Flowchart symbols are given here. I'm going to take oval shape to start. Sorry, this is not oval. Delete. Insert shapes. Oval. I make it blank. I will write here start. This is the starting point. Again, inserting the draw the flowchart with me. Arrow line. Now, first one is the CLS, that is the start. Second line is for A is equal to 1 to 10, and this is the procedure. So the process would be given in, hurry up, in which symbol we are giving the process? In a rectangle, make it blank. For A is equal to 1 to 10, Control C, Control V. Now the next symbol is now the next symbol is input output symbol. Like input output symbol is a parallelogram. A parallelogram. I'll insert this. In a parallelogram, we'll insert the text here. What is the text? Print. Print. In quotation mark, I'll give Ali. Table. ठीक है? Now again copy the same arrow. Now which symbol is will be there? Start, terminal, process. For A is equal to 1 to 10. For result, input or output, we will give parallelogram, and this is the output. So it is given in parallelogram. Again, I am going to insert a rectangle. Next, A, right? Next A, and the next shape would be again a terminal, right? that is the end. Right? So this is the flowchart of program number 1A, 1A, right? Start for A is equal to 1 to 10, that is a process. Print Ali, like this is the output. And next A, like the loop is moving from this position to this until the reaching ending point is given. The loop is moving from next to again A until the ending point is reaches your program, right? And if once the print output is given 10 times, the program will end. Draw the flowchart along with the program. Done? हरी अब जल्दी जल्दी मुझे ज़रा बताइए हो गया आपका, ताकि मैं आगे नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट करूं. चलिए ओके, नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन शेयर करूं, नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम. Done, everybody? Any question? So our first program 1A is complete with coding, with output and flowchart, right? Now I'm going to share the next program, that is print your name 10 times by using if then else, right? Before starting the second program, we must write new command to refresh the memory. I will give some errors in this program, so you must know that how the error will be removed. Okay, wait. My keyboard is not working properly. Just wait, beta. File is not loading. PRG. Files are not loading. PRG 1D not working. Okay, I'm going to make another program that is the average of 4 numbers, right? It is not working. uh, First of all, new auto auto CLS input A input, write the write the practical name to take the average of 4 numbers. Write a program to take the average of 4 numbers. Input B, input C, input D. Write the program to print the average of 4 numbers. Input D. Let E is equal to A plus B plus C plus D. E F. Let F equal to E divided by 4, right? We are taking input, 4 numbers are input, and we add that 4 numbers and take the average. How can we take the average? To divide the sum of all numbers by the number of inputs. There are 4 inputs, so I'm going to divide it by 4. First of all, I take the sum of all these 4 numbers and then divide it by 4. The average will be saved in the variable f. Now, 80, print first number, quotation close, semicolon. First number क्या था हमारे पास? 8, ठीक है? Print second number, that is B. Print third number. Okay, only 10 minutes are remaining. Third number is C. Write it down with me, hurry up. Print fourth number, quotation close, semicolon D. Now, print quotation mark, sum of 4 numbers, semicolon. sum हमने किसमें सेव किया था? E में, E variable. And now print the average of 4 numbers are quotation close, semicolon. और average किसमें हमने सेव किया? F में. Now line number 40 is end. Control break to break the line numbers. Write it down quickly. You have only 2 minutes. See the result first. See the result of it. Now F2. First number, like suppose I'm giving 67. Second number I'm giving 88. Third number I'm giving 22. The next is 45. Now the sum. These are the first. The 4 numbers are given here. First number is 67. Second number is 88. Third number is 22. Fourth number is 45. Now the sum of 4 numbers are 222. The average of 4 number is 55.5. So this is the program. Now see the list again. How it works? First, it takes input from me. The question mark means it takes the input, right? First, I am going to give the inputs. Then the calculation will be done, and then the output would be done by print statements. First number, second number, third number, fourth number. First 4 number are printing, and then the sum of 4 numbers is placed in E. लाइक ई में हमने चारों का सम लिया है और एफ में हमने उन चारों का एवरेज लिया है. द एवरेज ऑफ 4 नंबर इज स्टोर्ड इन द वेरिएबल एफ, राइट? इज इट क्लियर? Okay, the difference between input and let is if I'm using let here, let A equal to 20, let B is equal to 30, let C is equal to this, the value will be fixed. I'm not going to change it again and again. But if I'm using input, I can change the values again and again. Like if I'm going to uh, run this program again, F2, I can change the values. See. चेंज कर दी मैंने वैल्यूज़, जितनी बार प्रोग्राम रन करूँगी उतनी बार वैल्यूज़ चेंज हो जाएंगी, ठीक है। लेकिन अगर हम लेट से वैल्यूज़ देते हैं तो वो फिक्स्ड वैल्यूज़ हो जाती हैं, वो चेंज नहीं होती। इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? लिस्ट, हैव यू ऑल रिटन द प्रोग्राम? गिव मी द फीडबैक, हरी अप। डन एवरीबडी? रेज योर हैंड्स। एनी क्वेश्चन बेटा? I don't have time to draw the flowchart of this program. Only 5 minutes are left. So you all are requested to draw the flowchart by yourself. Input is given in a parallelograms. You can give all the input in one parallelogram as well, and you can draw the separate parallelogram for every input. Right? It's up to you. CLS in terminal like start, input in parallelogram. All the input are given in parallelogram. All the calculations is a process, so it is given in a process box that is a rectangle. Print is the output, so it is given in the parallelogram as well. So the parallelogram is for input and output. Rectangle is for process, line number 60 and 70, and terminal is for start and end. Draw the flowchart yourself. Right? Okay, any question, beta? चलें, थैंक यू सो मच। इंशाल्लाह हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे इसे क्लास में, और अगली वर्चुअल क्लास में हम आगे के प्रोग्राम्स इसी तरह से बनाएंगे और विद फ्लो चार्ट्स। ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।